How to create account in Fantasy Premier League. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To create yourself an account in Fantasy Premier League, check out the FPL application for this. Now over here, tap on the More option to create or sign in into your account. Tap on Sign in/Create New Account to create yourself a brand new account. Now at the top you should find I need to register option. You can just click on it, which will redirect you to a new page to register a new account. Starting off with the personal details, enter your first name, last name, email address, password, country and mobile phone number. However, the mobile phone number option is optional for you. So, if you wish to, you can skip to add your mobile number. Once you have successfully filled out your personal details, you can then select your favorite team. Once done, just tap on the Continue button at the bottom of the page. Third and the last step is your email preferences, in which you will receive an verification code in your designated email address where you entered over here. For this, open up your Gmail to get the code. Now in here you will also find the option of verify your account. Just tap on account or activate account. After your email address is confirmed, you can tap on the login button. Then just enter your email address and password to log in into your FPL. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.